Shelter tells the gripping story of a small town suddenly thrown into chaos when mysterious. Explosions light up the horizon. No one knows if it is war, a terrorist attack, or a natural disaster. The movie follows a young woman named Elena, who lives in the countryside with her father. Their quiet life shatters the moment. The sky turns red in the emergency. Sirens begin to scream across the valley. Forced to seek safety, Elena and her father rush toward an underground community bunker known as the Shelter. Hundreds of frightened citizens crowd around the entrance, begging for a chance to get inside. The military only allows a limited number of survivors, causing anger, panic, and desperation. Elena's father sacrifices his spot so that his daughter can enter, promising he will find another way to survive. The heavy steel door slams shut behind her as the world outside fades to silence. Inside the shelter, the atmosphere becomes tense. Food is limited, electricity flickers, and no one knows how long they must stay below ground. Rumors begin to spread. Some believe the world above has been destroyed. Others believe the government is hiding the truth. Days turn into weeks, and fear slowly transforms into paranoia. Arguments erupt, alliances form, and trust becomes the rarest currency. Elena struggles to maintain hope, wondering if her father is still alive. She works with a small group to keep order, protect the children, and calm the terrified civilians. But as oxygen levels drop and supplies run out, the shelter becomes a prison. The leaders decide to open the hatch to check the surface, even though it may be fatal. When the door finally opens, sunlight pours in, revealing a devastated but livable world. Trees are burned, buildings destroyed, and the once familiar landscape transformed. Elena steps outside, breathing fresh air for the first time in months. She searches through the wreckage, calling for her father. In the final emotional scene, she finds him injured but alive near the riverbank. The two embrace, realizing that survival was never just about hiding, but about holding on to hope. The movie ends with them looking toward the horizon, ready to rebuild in a world forever changed.